Over the last 13 years, we've been doing everything from interior contracting, turnkey projects, and customized furniture. And we've delivered projects pan India. Only to realize that our core has always been furniture and woodworks. Running our factory for last 10 years, we have delivered some amazing piece of furniture for our projects and got some great feedback from our clients.
They say, listen to your customers and they will tell you important things about your business. We'd like to thank our customers for letting us know and make us realize that furniture is our one thing. And this has helped us to realize what we can do now going further. It has been a very tough decision to bring down a vertical or close a vertical which was a high potential business vertical. But now at TIS Homes, we eat, drink and breathe furniture. So we look forward for some amazing work in furniture.
So in alignment with the above decision, we are coming up with a new facility of over 36,000 square feet where we are setting up our office, a big showroom and our manufacturing facility with the latest machinery all under one roof. And all of this is to deliver you better, faster and smoother. We are the most transparent and system-driven company in India, and we are the only furniture company that's offering guarantee for life on all our pieces. And this is what we have been able to achieve since we have made furniture our one thing. So look out, and we are ready to rock the furniture industry
With great products and the latest innovations.
Thank you.